Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Calendly AI scheduling automation for qualified meetings, detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate Calendly AI scheduling automation for qualified meetings, begin by logging into your Calendly account. Once logged in, navigate to the event types section in your dashboard. Select the event type you wish to configure for AI scheduling. Click on Edit to access the event settings. Scroll down to the Invitee Questions section. Here, add any qualifying questions you want to ask before scheduling a meeting. Questions can range from a simple yes or no to multiple choice options. Next, look for the option titled Workflows. Click on Add Workflow to create a new automation. In the Workflow Creation menu, choose the trigger for your automation. Select when an event is scheduled to ensure the workflow activates upon booking. Now, choose the action you want the AI to perform. Options might include sending a notification or assigning a follow-up task. After configuring the triggers and actions, review your workflow settings for accuracy. Once satisfied, click Save to finalize the automation. Next, head back to your event types to ensure the changes are applied. Test the automation by scheduling a meeting yourself. Once you've confirmed it's working as intended, you can inform your team about the new features. Regularly revisit your workflows to optimize them based on feedback and performance. This will ensure that your scheduling remains efficient and relevant to your needs. By following these steps, you've successfully activated AI scheduling automation in Calendly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.